most enjoyable things about the Aventador experience is having it be crazy, wild, flames, all sorts of wild stuff. People love SVJs and Ultimates and just the Aventador platform as a whole because the car is known for throwing massive fireballs. But this is a car that you're going to have in your garage. If you have like a really aggressive straight pipe exhaust, it's so ostentatious and obnoxious. But then enter Valvetronic. This car has the equalized race sections, so you get that crazy pitch. And then also it has our valve rear with our largest quad-chambered muffler configuration. The objective is to allow me to drive around like this. Right now, 5th gear, I'm in a straight bike V12 Aventador and I can whisper to you because it's not loud. always important to remember that having that flexibility is so important. You might not think about it. You might just go, oh yeah, I want the best sound. I see it on Instagram, you know, it's crazy. You know, I see the flames, you know, whatever this company is selling it for less than Valvetronic, I'm just gonna buy that. You're gonna end yourself up in a box because you pay $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 for a car like this, and then you can't use it because it is too loud. So right now, right, I'm gonna give you a little acceleration with the valves closed. And then we're gonna do the valves closed and I'll open the valves. You're gonna hear the difference. So first gear. If I open, listen. Hear the howl, it comes back. Close it. And it's super docile in here. Here, what I wanna do, Shane, grab me the decibel meter. Let's see how quiet it is in here with the decibel meter. So right here, you can hear that the valves are open. It's pretty aggressive. Now with them closed.
68 decibels.
Because if I want to drive the car all the time, or if the owner wants to drive the car all the time, having that flexibility is so nice. People forget that we love cars because we can show off when we want, but also when you want to sneak home and close the valves, you of course can do that with the Valvetronic setup. There's a lot of other setups in the market where they're just loud. I hear so many Aventadors that are just revving at the car shows and stuff. Like, you don't want to be that guy. But when you want to have it sound the best, Valvetronic gives you that control. Let's hear some sound. Or an SVJ, here's the mode to drive in. Stop driving the car in Corsa. The car behaves like shit in Corsa. Powertrain, Sport, steering, Strada, suspension, Strada. The car behaves much more like a precision device than some heavy, overbearing vehicle. The car is much more precise. Like, the steering is not overly heavy. It works so much better. And with Sport, it'll do a crazy pop with the Valvetronic system every shift. Going back in the neighborhood. It wasn't us. I don't know who was making all that noise. See, look at this woman. She has no idea. We're passing her straight pipe V12 Lamborghini. She just walking into her house. She has no idea. Valvetronic, baby.